A group of outdoor workers, including construction, garden, and farm workers, rallied in downtown Miami to urge the local government to pass a law requiring businesses to protect employees from the heat. Some cover their bodies with white sheets to represent those who die from heat-related illness, an average of 39 workers across the U.S. each year. Many experts, however, believe the numbers significantly underestimate the severity of the problem. Lucia Kie has been working in Florida for 17 years as a farm worker. She has experienced heat illness on the job.
What employers want is for us to pick the harvest fast, but what they don't know is what's happening inside of us. We get kidney disease. We suffer horrible things out there enduring the sun, and it's unbearable most of the time. We are dying because of the heat, the stress.
These workers are asking for basic measures.
We want water, shade, and rest for all the workers that spend their days outside.
Among the provisions in the proposed legislation, the right for workers to take a paid 10-minute break to drink water and rest in the shade every 2 hours if the heat index rises above 32 degrees Celsius. Activists, union leaders, and medical professionals show their support.
Workers are at risk for injury and death. With more than 6,000 emergency department visits in Florida each year, as healthcare workers and doctors, we do our best to care for our communities, and we rely on public health measures to keep our communities healthy and out of the hospital. I'm proud to stand here today with my comrades advocating that heat standards be implemented in Miami-Dade County.
Workers are asking for action at the county level, since there are no laws at the federal level that protect them from the scorching sun.
The OSHA, our federal government that monitors occupational safety and hazard, does not have heat protection guidelines. The Biden administration has ordered for those to be developed, but it could take a decade before those come down.
At the state level, a bipartisan push for employers in Florida to meet even basic heat safety standards has failed for the last 3 consecutive years. Other states, including California, Minnesota, and Washington, have successfully enacted heat standard laws detailing workers' protections and penalties if employers don't comply. But businesses in Florida say they will cost too much money, and the bill has stalled in the state legislature. Workers' only hope, while they wait for federal action, is to gain some kind of traction at the local level. It's Soledad Perez, CGTN, Miami.